chilling the most from BeyBladeWorld.net. This video is called the Beyblade Rock Giraffe versus Spiral Capricorne battle. So these are Beyblades I recently, well, they are pretty recent to me anyways, that I unboxed, which is Rock Giraffe and Screw Capricorne. It's going to be an amazing battle. And yeah, so basically it's going to be Cheyenne versus, what's that guy, Ziggurat. And then after, they're going to basically battle. So it's kind of a what-if battle, like, hey, what are you doing here in Jinga's celebration since he beat Damien? I'm going to challenge you with my big Rock Giraffe! That's my impression of, like, the announcer for, like, the Beyblade episodes. And to shine, because in the English dub, I always make that joke like they're the same person. Anyways, our battles will be in the Attack Type Stadium, 3 to 5 rounds, 1 round for the fans. Let's go! Giraffe! Please, Capricorne! So now let us see who will win. Will it be Rock Giraffe or will it be Spiral Capricorne? Screw Capricorne. So now, let us see on Beyblade who will be done. I just saw it. I was literally just trying to fix my launcher and I just saw it flying. That is awesome. So it's a score of 1-0. We'll be moving on to the next round. Please, you're no match for my Capricorne. Just perish along with the rest of Beyblade. Never, Giraffe, solid iron wall. Please, a Capricorne has flame for horns, so it's invincible. 2-0, next round. Okay. Oh, my spirit and my power. That's nothing compared to my Bey. Giraffe special move. Solid iron wall. Another thing I like to make a joke is that, like, Team Wang Ku Zhong is, like, funny when they, like, do the special moves, because they, like, do, like, poses. Okay, since this has nothing to do with, since this has some relation to Beyblade, I'm gonna show poses that show my special move. It's kind of funny. It actually is kind of fun. It's kind of like what's on I want to, like, push his hands like this, like he opens his hands, like he kind of like he's pushing the force, and it's like, freeze! Like with the hands. It's just awesome. It's like, I think when he does Storm Stars when he was facing against Johannes, he like kicks the air up. It's like, Giraffe! It's just really, really, really awesome. So this was really just a 3-0. This was kind of just a rant because I just wanted to just share my opinion. And we'll do one more round for the fans. And before you say I'm going to end this really quickly, I'm not. Giraffe! Oh my god. Sorry. What? 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 Oh my god. I was trying to make Capricorne win and Giraffe with just solid iron walled his face. Like I couldn't even pronounce it. Our clear winner, Spiral Capricorne. Shine would fail against Ziggurat. But I guess in the end, if he did a special move, solid iron wall. Anyways, please make sure you like this video, make your favorite and share it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did.